Turntable. You're looking at a turntable that rotates the car without any additional assistance. It consists of a round platform mounted on a solid base. The platform's designed to hold the weight of the car and rotate smoothly. This platform comes in several options. You can choose from matte or mirror finish stainless steel, composite fiberglass, or carbon fiber finishes. Each of the platform options is available in different sizes depending on the size of the machine. In addition, turntables are equipped with wireless control and multiple motors for redundancy. This makes them the most convenient means of showcasing the car. You just need to press certain buttons on the remote control. The installation of turntables does not necessitate any engineering efforts, dismantling, or concrete cutting, eliminating the need to modify the landscape for their placement. Apart from serving as a platform for car showcasing, turntables come in handy in compact environments. This is particularly relevant in construction sites where optimizing space is crucial, especially for trucks. Such turntables were even featured in a Wall Street Journal report. Turntables serve multiple purposes extending beyond car showcases as they're commonly featured in luxury homes. They're installed in garages to streamline vehicle rotation, eliminating the need to do it yourself. In living areas, they create surprising moments for guests. Additionally, these platforms offer flexibility for arranging furniture as desired. It's worth mentioning that a few years ago, a house incorporating these platforms was sold for $14 million. Waveline Magnet. Humanity is constantly seeking energy from various sources. While wind and solar power have become commonplace, the potential of utilizing the immense power of ocean waves remains untapped. The Waveline Magnet is a device somewhat reminiscent of a spine. It's been tested both in individual water tanks and in actual marine environments. The results of the tests indicate the Waveline Magnet has the ability to generate a substantial amount of energy while being economically efficient to manufacture. According to the company, this device can even rival traditional non-renewable energy sources. How does this device work? It's essentially several floating platforms connected through a central energy system. Together, they form a device that smoothly follows the movement of the waves. The amazing thing is that the Waveline Magnet is only a few inches thick, but it's very sturdy, which allows it to withstand any aquatic environment. The company claims that people can even ride on this floating spine. The aesthetics of the energy-generating device is not the key focus. Unlike its capacity, the creators claim that a single Waveline Magnet can generate an impressive power output of up to 100 megawatts. Not only Swell, the company behind the Waveline Magnet, is trying to harness the power of waves. For instance, the Hawaii National Marine Renewable Energy Center, in collaboration with the Hawaii Natural Energy Institute, has established a test site for above-water devices and berths at depths of 98, 197, and 262 feet. Of course, this invention doesn't look as amazing as the Waveline Magnet, but it's another important step toward renewable energy for mankind. ABS airbags. Ensuring personal safety is paramount for any enthusiast of extreme recreation. One way to achieve this is by utilizing backpacks equipped with inflatable airbags, which can be a lifesaver in the event of an avalanche. One crucial aspect to mention about these backpacks is the twin bag system, which consists of two independent airbags contained within an efficiently designed volume. Apart from ensuring safety, the backpack excels in its primary function of carrying various loads. It utilizes the zip-on system, allowing for easy size customization. For instance, the backpack's volume can be expanded from 5 gallons to 7 to 8 gallons or even 9 to 10 gallons. Since this backpack is primarily designed for those who love venturing into snowy mountains, it incorporates additional features to accommodate necessary equipment. Furthermore, the backpack is made of water-repellent materials. Another crucial feature is the inclusion of a chest strap equipped with a signal whistle. Combined with the airbags, this provides a means to escape challenging avalanche situations and attracting attention to oneself. Airbags are integrated into various types of clothing and accessories. For instance, specialized vests have been designed for high-altitude workers, effectively mitigating the risk of injuries during falls. By the way, such clothing can not only protect, but be trendy. In the previous year, a company manufacturing airbag vests teamed up with Dior for a collaboration. Jizai Arms. This is a set of 4 robotic limbs implanted in a wearable backpack. These limbs move quite gracefully, almost human-like. This is possible because the movement of the human body triggers the movement of the robotic arms too, which means that they're completely adapted to the wearer. What are the possible applications for these robotic limbs? For example, you can use them for performing a dance. A robot and a person seamlessly merge, functioning as a single entity, creating an intriguing and captivating performance. However, the primary objective in developing such a system remains focused on facilitating interaction between humans and humanoid robots, a possibility that may be realized in the near future. Furthermore, these robotic limbs have the potential to help individuals facing mobility challenges in the present day. Finkbeiner lifts. Standard car lifts are devices built into the floor that cannot be moved when needed. But with Finkbeiner mobile lifting columns, working with vehicles is taken to a whole new level. All you need for these lifting columns are 2 simple requirements: a level ground and ample room for lifting. Only one person is needed to move one lift. That's a great solution that saves effort, time, and space, since the columns can simply be moved out of the way when needed. Vehicles that need to be lifted with a hoist can have different weights. That's why mobile columns are available with different lifting capacities, from 2.5 to 15 tons. This allows you to lift both the lightest vehicles as well as large and heavy ones like buses. When you lift the vehicle, you have free access to the underside because the columns have a high lifting height. Underneath the vehicle, you can set up a workshop with spotlights and portable equipment. Underground shelter. Underground shelters are more often than not a justified necessity, as there are a large number of dangers from which they can keep people safe. For example, these are the shelters made by Radius. They're fully self-contained structures designed to protect from 8 to 200 adults for a period of 6 months to 5 years. Several such shelters can be linked together to form entire cities hidden underground. The shelters from Radius are made of fiberglass and most often consist of 2 parts that are bolted together on site and then installed on concrete slab, so they can be assembled and installed in a short time. Such shelters are specifically designed to protect people during tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes, nuclear and chemical accidents, and other life-threatening incidents. The interior of any shelter should include a set of necessary furniture and appliances. For instance, shelters are equipped with amenities such as beds, a kitchen, and occasionally even a television, although it may not prove particularly useful during severe disasters. Beta.ray. German architect André Brussel, together with a team of specialists from his company, Rahlmann, have developed a transparent spherical collector that can simultaneously collect both solar and thermal energy. The key feature of the invention is that, unlike conventional solar panels, Beta.ray rotates depending on the position of the sun at any given time of day. This is possible thanks to a built-in tracking system. The lens acts as a concentrator of incoming light. In addition, due to its shape and ability to concentrate, it can increase its energy yield by 15%. The lens is made of acrylic polymer, has a diameter of 6 feet, and is filled with 800 gallons of water. Despite the fragile exterior, the invention was tested even during strong, stormy days with winds up to 265 miles per hour. When it comes to collecting thermal energy, this process is independent of cloud conditions. The sphere yields an average of 3.4 kilowatt hours per day, utilizing a blend of thermal and solar energy. Water walker. This invention is a combination of a water treadmill and a spa. It allows you to exercise, relax, and bathe at the same time. Jogging on this innovation proves to be more efficient due to the higher density of water compared to air. The increased resistance leads to a greater calorie burn compared to regular treadmill running or outdoor jogging in the park. Simultaneously, it creates a weightless environment, relieving stress on the joints and muscles during water-based running. Water walker is mostly intended for people who suffer from severe diseases such as arthritis or fibromyalgia, but also suitable for those who simply want to improve their physical shape. But it should be noted that the average person is unlikely to be able to afford this water treadmill because it's very expensive, priced at $89,000. So for now, perhaps most people would still prefer the traditional ways of spa and jogging. sTetro. There are many different cleaning robots out there, but a staircase cleaning robot is something new. Take a look at sTetro, which was designed to do just that. The key challenge in developing staircase cleaning robots is the environmental perception system that allows the robot to navigate such complex terrain as stairs. Specifically, sTetro robot uses a system that incorporates a real-time object detection model. With its help, the robot recognizes stairs, obstacles, and debris. The system has been tested on the stairs of multi-story buildings, and the results show that the system is 94.32% accurate. How does it work? sTetro detects the first step of a staircase and determines the angle at which the robot is facing the staircase through a combination of different inputs. It then uses a vertical conveyor belt mechanism to climb the step, and then it cleans it up, detecting debris and other obstacles. Robo traffic cones. Automation has permeated every aspect, reaching even the traffic cones. These once static plastic objects have transformed into self-wheeled robots, eliminating the requirement for road workers' involvement. The main purpose of these devices is to eliminate the need for manual labor, particularly when it comes to placing and adjusting cones during road work in high-traffic situations. These self-contained robo cones are intended to be used in combination with smart rumble strips. Both cones and strips will be equipped with sensors that can communicate with workers in real time. So, for example, if a vehicle enters the work area, the cones and noise strips will signal the worker to help solve the problem. Such cones can also make a serious difference in worker fatality statistics. From 2003 to 2020, 2,222 workers died on road construction sites, an average of 123 per year. Thanks to the robo-cones, workers won't have to go out on the road to the vehicles, which means they won't put themselves in danger. Airborne Turbine. Airborne wind turbines are a new stage in the way electricity is produced. They can fly much higher than the height of traditional wind turbines, up to 6,500 feet above the ground. First of all, it's worth noting that such turbines are made of gas-tight and durable fabric. The shell, pumped with helium, passively aligns to the changing wind, channeling it through the turbine. The shell can be additionally equipped with other equipment to provide, for example, telecommunication services. Of course, this flying wind turbine has a ground station to which it's attached by cables. The cables not only keep the turbine in the air, but also transfer the energy from the turbine to the ground station, after which the energy is used for its intended purpose. This method of electricity generation is highly portable and does not necessitate the use of a construction crane or foundation for installation. Moreover, it can be set up in less than a day. As a result, the cost of an air turbine is significantly lower compared to traditional wind turbines. Glasshouse. This is a Kinetic greenhouse which looks rather unusual. The design of the greenhouse was inspired by early Victorian terrariums and includes 10 individual petals that are made of steel, glass, and aluminum. The fundamental idea behind this state-of-the-art greenhouse is to seal it during cold weather and open it on warm days, enabling the plants to breathe in fresh air. The opening mechanism is swiftly deployed in just 4 minutes, facilitated by a hydraulic system. The greenhouse, spanning an area of 1,500 square feet, may not be grand in size, but its primary focus lies in its exquisite aesthetics and function as a sanctuary for rare and delicate plants. The renowned Heatherwick Studio, which Google invited a few years back to design its headquarters, created this captivating glass greenhouse. The result is a stunning and futuristic structure that resembles the scales of a dragon, covering the entire building. BedJet. To ensure an exceptional sleep experience, it's crucial to focus on your comfort. This becomes especially difficult when a couple shares a bed, with one person feeling chilly while the other's warm. To address this common issue, BedJet's system was designed, offering a solution for creating a personalized microclimate within the bed. The system allows you to instantly heat or cool the sleeping room with a silent motor. Designed specifically for a couple, BedJet offers a dual zone feature allowing one side of the bed to be cooled while the other can be heated. Additionally, BedJet's system enables you to customize cooling and heating settings for each hour throughout the night. You can even set a temperature alarm to address specific needs. For example, if you start feeling cold at 6 a.m. Not only temperature, but also humidity plays an important role in achieving the highest level of comfort. The BedJet takes care of this as well. It removes moisture and sweat from the bed. BedJet's very easy to install. No hard mattress covers, no wires, and no water tubes. You just attach the device to the blanket and your sleep becomes much more comfortable. BedJet creator Mark Aramley first introduced his climate control system on an episode of the reality show Shark Tank in 2015. Unfortunately for Aramley, the show's celebrated investors unanimously rejected the BedJet, but that didn't stop him from launching a crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter, which proved very successful.